Your Instagram change story. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So in this video I will show you how to do this viral Instagram trend right here, so keep on watching. First of all, we have to go on our Instagram account, of course, and then from here click on the search bar from the bottom of the screen and search for my account, which is Ali and John YTT. Once you're here, you have to go to April 2022, add yours at highlights. Don't go to my story because that will expire in just a few hours, so you may not find it there. So it's best to go to April 2022 at highlights. Here you have to tap until you find the desired sticker, and you can also check my other viral trends if you like. So there we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the others button, once I will do the story for the video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads and choose a photo with just you. I will go with this one right here. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller by using your two fingers. And then once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account on Ali and John YTT, and then from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here and it will get you to my YouTube channel, to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that if you have problems by clicking on the others button. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.